Join the celebration, unveiling the joy of inclusion in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and vibrant expression that you've probably heard in invitations, announcements, or even casual conversations. Join the celebration. This phrase is not just about attending a party. It encapsulates a deeper sense of inclusion, joy, and community. So, if you're ready to explore and understand this beautiful invitation, stay with us as we unfold its layers together. Join the celebration is a phrase that combines two key words, join and celebration. To join means to become a part of something or to connect with a group, activity, or event. A celebration is an act of marking a special occasion or event with activities, gatherings, or ceremonies that express joy and happiness. When put together, join the celebration is an invitation to become part of a joyful event. It's an open call to engage, participate, and share in the happiness of a particular occasion. This can be anything from a birthday party, a wedding, a festival, to even a community or cultural event. Understanding and using the phrase, join the celebration, effectively can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in social contexts. Here's why. Cultural sensitivity. This phrase reflects an inclusive attitude that is valued in many cultures. It's a way to welcome others warmly and show that their presence is appreciated. Social interaction. Using this phrase can help you navigate social invitations, whether you're inviting someone or responding to an invitation. It conveys enthusiasm and a positive spirit. Language fluency. Incorporating such expressions into your vocabulary can improve your fluency and make your English sound more natural and engaging. Let's look at how to use join the celebration in different contexts. Inviting someone to a party. We're throwing a surprise birthday party for Maria this Saturday. We'd love for you to join the celebration. Announcing a public event. Our town is hosting the annual food festival next month. Everyone is invited to join the celebration and enjoy the delicacies. In a congratulatory message, congratulations on your new job. Let's all join the celebration and toast to your success. Join the celebration is more than just an invitation to a party. It's an expression of inclusivity, joy, and community spirit. By understanding and using this phrase, you're not just enhancing your English vocabulary, you're embracing a positive and welcoming attitude that transcends languages and cultures. We hope this video has shed light on this vibrant expression and that you feel encouraged to use it in your conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, life is full of reasons to celebrate. So don't hesitate to extend the invitation.